Here near the Forum were the public thermal baths. They occupied about 2,450 square meters. They are much larger than the thermal baths of Los Bañales, but rather smaller than the larger thermal baths of Italica. In the northeast of the site, in the most well-positioned place, is where you find these remains. They correspond to one of the most important houses in the city, a Roman Domus. It was accessed from the street through this hallway. The domus was constructed around a central patio like this called the atrium. Around the atrium there were several rooms. Many of these rooms were paved with beautiful and handcrafted mosaics. The mosaics were made with small pieces of colored stone called tesselas. By combining them, one could obtain beautiful drawings and designs. In this domus, you would find magnificent examples of mosaics. Here, the walls tell us that they were plastered with lime and painted. The paintings decorated the walls, representing natural motifs, hunting scenes, and other representative elements of Roman life, customs, and beliefs. The rooms that surrounded the atrium were dedicated to the reception of guests, with dining rooms and bedrooms. This house had areas and adjoining rooms such as kitchens, cleaning places, workshops, and warehouses, where the servants got on with their work. It also had an area surrounded by a portico of columns called a peristyle. This was a private garden with ponds and fountains. Most probably, the owners of this domus kept this place free from trees, so they could contemplate the sea views. Some marvelous views.